In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your dictionary in Microsoft Word. This is a handy feature, especially if you frequently work with specialized terminology or names that aren't typically found in standard dictionaries. By adding your own words to the custom dictionary, you can ensure that Word doesn't flag them as misspellings, enhancing your productivity and avoiding unnecessary distractions. To get started, you'll first want to open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you've got Word up and running, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll access a variety of settings and options that can personalize your Word experience. After clicking File, navigate to Options, typically located towards the bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. Now, once you're in Options, focus on the menu on the left again. You'll see several categories listed here, but what you're looking for is Proofing. Click on Proofing to open up a range of language and spelling settings. Within the proofing options, you'll find a button labeled Custom Dictionaries. Clicking on this button will bring up the Custom Dictionaries dialog box. This is where all the dictionaries that Microsoft Word recognizes are listed. You'll notice some with check marks next to them. This indicates that these dictionaries are currently active, meaning Word will use these dictionaries to check the spelling in your documents. Understanding which dictionaries are active can help you tailor the spell-checking feature to better suit your needs. If you have specific words you'd like to ensure aren't flagged as incorrect, you might consider adding them to a custom dictionary. This can be incredibly useful when working in specialized fields like medicine, law, or technology, where industry-specific jargon is commonplace. While inside the Custom Dictionaries dialog, you can create a new custom dictionary, edit existing ones, or choose which dictionaries you'd like to have active. Just as a tip, if you work in multiple languages or have several types of projects, managing the dictionaries here can streamline your workflow and keep your documents looking polished and professional. The benefit of having these customized dictionaries is that it saves you time and effort. No more pausing to correct words that aren't actually mistakes. Instead, you can focus on what matters most, your content. I hope this guide helps you in customizing your dictionaries to better suit your writing needs. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.